check it for fall. Look at that. Can you see that? Actually, I reckon it's a little bit too much. It's always good to give it plenty of fall though. Right, now my next step. Which one? Which one is it? I didn't mark them off, but it's all good. It's not that one. Is it that one? Yep. Right, that is the idea. That is how it works. Just like that. Now that is the only time I run my fall from the corners. It's usually always, if I'm following my line, it's always like that. There and there. And I never have split tiles. But I wasn't able to do that in this case, so then you put it on a 45. My hob will come up and over and down. That's beautiful. Okay, I'll mix up some glue, and tomorrow night you'll see the next step. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm coming out every day, so yeah, tomorrow you'll see the next step. Hit the bell, subscribe, and we're home and hose. See ya.